So, um, this is my 3x3 slider puzzle, and let me run it. So one thing I did was I wanted to give the options, so you could choose hard or easy, and one is gonna shuffle a lot more than the other. So let's start with easy. So you can see, obviously, since it's easy, there isn't really that much paths, and the move count is only two because it didn't really shuffle too much. Let's do hard. Let's run it again. As you can see, this one it shuffled a lot more compared to the easy one, and you can see the states explored in the bottom left. You can also see the final move count. And one thing that I wanted to do for this sliding puzzle is to kind of color code it, so you can see the tiles 1, 2, 3. They're all white, and 4 through 6 they're always going to be blue, and 7 through 8 is just going to be pinkish. And I don't know, the zero tile, or you can even call it ninth tile. This is basically just the empty tile. It's just black. And so this idea, I actually got it from Gabriel from our class, and I thought it was kind of helpful. So one thing I also wanted to talk about is uh like whether it's hard or easy, both of them are just using the Manhattan distance. It just adds up the total number of spaces uh, each tile is away from the goal, and this basically helps the algorithm pick smarter moves because you want to choose the fastest or the shortest way to kind of get there. And even for the hard, it's the same thing. The A-star algorithm, um, basically, there's gonna be more moves, and it's gonna take a little bit longer. Look, let me run it again. Uh, hard. Yeah, since it's shuffled more, it's basically the same thing as the easy one, but since there's more combinations, it's just gonna have more steps. For the second heuristic function, um, I tried something else. It's not obviously as good as the Manhattan distance, but it still worked. It's basically just counts how many tiles are incorrect, how many tiles are wrong. Um, it works, but obviously it's not good as the Manhattan project. And something I was actually looking through. Let me see if I could show it. Um, right here. This is basically the one I used. The misplaced tiles. Um, yes, this is right here. Count the number of misplaced tiles, but it's really not that good. But it works. And yeah, that was my slider puzzle.